felt like I really needed like a strong feet in the market. I didn't really want to be a back and forth trader. Today I'm winning, tomorrow I'm in a losing streak and stuff like that. Like it's not that easy from this part of the world. I'm gonna be frank with you. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like when I say this part of the world, I'm basically talking about my geographical location, where you're gonna like blow an account and feel like tomorrow you're gonna get another money back, or you're gonna hustle up, get some few jobs here and there, work in McDonald's, get some $200, $300, come back and fund. You're not gonna get that around here. Like it's a bit tough out here. So your trading psychology around here must dwell more on the consistency and then being right more than wrong, because you cannot just keep losing money and then coming back in. So I was for so many years just focused on just being a consistent winner. And then me, it was just like I had the right mindset from scratch. I didn't really take trading on as an opportunity to turn my life around. I want to become the next millionaire next week from trading. I just have always thought about trading from that um, career perspective. I told you that I read accounting, and then I was introduced into the market from one of the courses I read. So I started reading about Paul Tudor Jones, George Soros, all the big names that have actually created a wealth from trading and then managing hedge funds. So I've always looked at the market from that bigger perspective than just me trying to be like a subsistent person who wants to just flip his life around. So with that in mind, I just focus on being a good trader, and then being able to live off the market by myself, and creating eventually a fund, corporation or company that's going to like basically manage huge funds for sophisticated investors. But what changed the life, or what flipped the whole thing for me was I'd say my strategy, my edge in the market, right? I really spent so many years focused on my strategy, perfecting it, and I got to that point where I felt like, okay, like this is it. When I see this and then it confirms this for me, then I'm going all out. I'm just literally going all out. I did that once in my early years, and then it was just like a very small account though, but I flipped. I think was it 2,000 to 4,000? Wasn't even much, and then being greedy let
Yeah,
me.
but where you're from, that's a lot of money.
Exactly, it is. It is.
Where
It
you're
is.
from,
It
man,
is.
for
It is.
believe it or not,
It is.
guys, there's from people from my side, you know what I mean? We got a lot of people here from the United States, right?
Yeah.
So, we have these 10, 15, minimum wage jobs, you know what I mean? And it's just like, your monthly paycheck is where, these guys can make that in 3, 4 months. You know what I'm saying? So when you make it out like that, like where you become profitable and you're making thousands of dollars a month and you're living in fucking Ghana, dude, like,
You're fucking
yo,
successful, bro.
your dick is this big. Your dick is literally this fucking big.
No cup.
My
No
man,
cup.
my man is dick this big. He literally can't get up. He's got to wheelchair his ass around the house. So and that's crazy as fuck, bro. Because you come from such a like, you know, eh, I hope I don't sound rude, but you come from like such a poor place, dude. And for you to be like where you're at right now, that's pretty fucking insane, dude. That's big. That's very, very big. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm telling you, man, it's crazy as fuck. I hope a lot of people in here are listening, dude. I hope a lot of people here are listening, because let me tell you, man, like when you really come from the trenches, like the trenches, like Ghana, dude, where you got no money, no nothing. You follow people like Daniel Savage, Q Banks, people with these freaking Lamborghinis buying cars left and right, man. And it's just like you come from a place where you can own your maximum account is like $100 max, because you can't put more money in it. You can't put more money in, because how are you gonna feed your fucking family? How are you gonna feed yourself? Your max accounts are 100, 200, $300. So imagine the dude's making $1,000 on the charts. Yo, that's actually a lot of fucking money, guys. Believe it or not, it's crazy. It's crazy, and you have a lot of disadvantages too. I'm actually, I can honestly say, man, you're a fucking, you're a gangster, dog. You're literally a G, because you actually have a lot of disadvantages. Coming from such like the the type of like money where you guys have over there to like coming here because man, when it comes to trading, man, you're either a gambler or you're a trader, man. You trade a trader, you're just gambling. And if you're trading to make money, like my boy King Sean Lee said, your time is very limited. You know what I'm saying? Your time is very limited if you're trading just to make money. So imagine, you come from a place where it's just like, dude, there is no money here. There is no money. And then like, that really drives a person when it comes to these charts, the opportunities it could provide for you, that could really set you back forever. There's a possibility you could never be successful
Yeah.
because every dollar you're going to chase, you're going to lose $2. You know what I'm saying? So it's really crazy that you were able to really make it out there, man. It's insane, bro. Yo, congrats, bro. Love that
Thanks,
shit.
thanks, bro. I really appreciate that. And then you're really like speaking facts, truth. There isn't any lie in what you just said. Like here, you just need to focus on having an edge or a strategy that works for you. That way you can literally be consistent with your $200, $500, and then appreciate the gains than just trying to just feel like, okay, I'm a trader. Let me just come into the market, find something. Somebody's trading the market, they're making money. Let me use it. You're gonna literally lose that, and then it could possibly take you like months to even get that kind of money to fund back again. Like if I say, if you have let's say uh, $500, right? $500. That is like in my currency about close to 3,000 Ghana cedis. We spend cedis. Our currency is called cedis, and at
Mm-hmm.
3,000 cedis is like the salary for most people in let's say um, kind of a entry level jobs, right? Where they done with uni and then they have to work for a whole month to make $500, which is like 3,000 cedis, right? So you're literally thinking that you have somebody's 1 month salary in your trading account, which is $500, and $500, like, to be honest, because I've been trading for a long time, at this point, I can say it isn't really like much on the market. But me outside the market, then I know that $500 is a fucking big deal. Do you get it? So you cannot literally have your hands on that kind of account like anyhow. So once you have like that kind of trading account, then you need to like treat it with some level of like respect, discipline, and then try to be hopeful that you can even grow it. And then being hopeful here is not by chance, but by having an edge in the market or a strong strategy that wins more than lose. So that's just how I was able to like escape that route. Or how I was able to like just come out of that process, focusing on high probability trade setup, and then flipping small accounts into like something big. And then there was a point in time where I was like winning big, like you did when it comes to the way you just threw in that lot size on the 7,000 and flipping it around. But I was doing it on a day trading basis, where I just funded a 5,000, like I said, which is like 3,000 cities, and I took it to about 25 to 30,000 citizens in a couple of weeks. And then I just knew that from there on, there wasn't any setback, there wasn't any going back. It was just me throwing in and throwing in and throwing in, and then just moving forward.